Hi, I'm Brian from Orion Motors, and today we're going to talk about sleep mode. Sleep mode is really important because it's the second most time that you spend in the van. We decided to prioritize comfort and convenience when we designed the sleeping solution for this van. So what was really important for us is to get house full-size mattresses in here. So by having a house full-size mattress here, you have a lot of flexibility. What we have in the van here is a 7-inch foam mattress, but you can also put a spring mattress or an air mattress or whatever you like in there. So that was important from a comfort standpoint. From a convenience standpoint, we had to figure out a way to fit these things in here, but also make it so that you can use the rest of the van. So what we did is we developed two powered bed lifts. So this rear bed lift here will drop down to about a mid-height if you have stuff underneath it. So if you have bicycles or motorcycles or kayaks or something you want to take with you, you can still have that cargo below you while sleeping above that. If you don't have anything below that, you can drop this bed platform all the way down to the height of the toilet, which is 28 inches, or basically the same as your bed at home. Now the front bed lift will drop halfway down, kind of to a bunk bed height. So with that, you can have people sleeping above it while you have people seating below it and talking at night. And then finally, we have a fifth seat sleeping position back here, which is in the folding couch bed. So a fifth person can sleep back here. And further from a convenience standpoint, when you're done sleeping at the end of the night, you don't have to make your beds or anything like that. You just hit the button and the bed platform goes up and your bed basically disappears. So saving you time and adding convenience.